Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing day. We're in France at the moment, going to a beautiful island. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin, my trades, what I'm doing in the markets right now. Bitcoin is pulling back quite a bit. We're going to see. I'm going to show you my technical analysis. I'm going to show you the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. Make sure you watch through to the end. Hit the subscribe button. Join 74,000 people down there on your phone. Hit the thumbs up button. And now we're giving away every month. 5 winners are going to get $200 US. So giving $1,000 away to anyone that comments on each video. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. And at the moment, Bitcoin is pulling back as we speak right now. Oops. Technicals here. The market is looking red slightly again, and even stocks and cryptos. Yesterday we had a big red day across stocks, cryptos, everything. Bitcoin right now is pulling back a bit. It's still sitting exactly back in this channel. We had this big fake out in a way a few days ago when we went from a quick movement from 28,600 all the way up to 32,300, and then it looked like it would bounce there. I did expect that we would have a big bounce of 30,600, and I went long here, but Bitcoin did not bounce. It broke back through into the channel and bounced off the daily weekly support. So now we are back in that channel that we've been in for almost 2 months. So it looks like Bitcoin is doing exciting things, but really we've just been ranging between 30,600, 28,600 for almost 2 months. We've been in this channel. We broke out, had a bullish moment, and then again back. Looks like Bitcoin is going to come down to 28,600, but we are on the daily and the weekly support right now. So right here is a lot of support at the 29,700. Stochastic on the 4 hourly is oversold. RSI is also now oversold. And squeeze mob is going towards the red side, so a little bit more to drop, most likely the bottom of the channel. We again respect the channel. Even though we had that fake out, we're back inside the channel, so until it breaks through, we expect that this channel continues. It might even continue for a few more months, but it does look like Bitcoin is bottoming here. I still expect 26,500 that day of the lunar crash to be the bottom. But let's see, EMA ribbons, we're again underneath the EMA ribbons, which is unfortunate because for the first time we had turned the EMA ribbons bullish, but now they're again back. VPVI, we have a lot of support down here at the 28,000. Crypto Guru Bot is still showing a buy, which it flipped a few days ago, so it's pulling back to this support but still indicating a buy. Bitcoin Indicator Bot, which you get in the master course, called the sell perfectly at that top area. So we're still bouncing here. Let's go into the hourly. On the hourly, stochastic is overbought, heading down. We're getting this bounce off the weekly, so most likely we're going to get a bounce on the weekly again, 29,400. That's where I'll go long. RSI is oversold, turning up, and squeeze mob on the hourly is going towards the green side now. So it looks like we're going to have a recovery. I'm going to show you where I would open a trade now on Bitcoin. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video in the description and pin comment, if you go down below, you can sign up to Bybit. There's $8,200 worth of sign up bonuses, US dollars. When you use this Bybit link, you get $4,600 US dollar sign up bonus. When you don't use the link, you only get $400. So if you use this link, $4,600, you have to deposit a certain amount of Bitcoin to get that full bonus. NordVPN, if you have any country restrictions, once you sign up to Bybit, it opens this trading software. Here, in this account, I have $199,400. Big pullback. I had $220,000 in this account a few days ago, so Bitcoin pulling back massively. I've got 100,000 BUSD, 49,000 USDT, 46,000 Bitcoin, 44,000. Big pullback around 6% today. Luna also having a big pullback, 13%, 19,000. I still bought that for $15,000, so it's up $4,000 or $5,000. CRV also 14% pullback on CRV, huge one. And I have no Bitcoin trades. Bitcoin hit my stop loss. So now I'm going to show you where I would open a trade on Bitcoin. I would actually open, here is dangerous because it's most likely going to pull back to the bottom of the channel. So I would wait till the bottom of the channel to go long on Bitcoin again. Back at the 20. So what I'm going to do is every time Bitcoin comes down to the bottom of the channel, I'm going to go long, target 30,600, then go short, then target 28,000 until the channel breaks and bounces the support. So opening a trade here, stop loss below that spike down, take profit at the top of the channel. That gives us a 2.35 risk to reward ratio trade. Opening the trade at 28,657. Stop loss at 27,815 and the take profit at 30,637. So it's risking $843 to make almost $2,000. So almost a 2.35 ratio trade. If you use 10x leverage, that'll be $20,000 of profits. 100x leverage, $200,000 of profits. So that's the trade that I'm going to set for Bitcoin. So at 28,657 is going to open, 27,800 is the stop loss, 30,600 is the take profit. So now I go over into Bybit and I set this long. So I'm going to open a $1,000 trade with 5x leverage. That'll be $5,000 trade. The trade will open at 28,600. The take profit will be at the 30,600, and the stop loss will be at 20. Let's check where that stop loss will be. The stop loss 27,815, 27815. So now I'm risking 137 to make for each $137. I'm going to make $349 per lot. So that trade is now set, opening along. So it's a $5,000 trade at 28,600. That trade won't execute until Bitcoin comes down to that 28,600. This trade that I set up here, this is the trade setup that you're seeing. See how I always set the trade before I begin. Again, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, you can sign up to Bybit, 4,600 worth of bonuses. And you can also sign up to the master course down below. Down here, Crypto Master Course with more than 6,000 students, where you get the bots, that link down below. And also all the links to the social networks. There's a Discord with more than 11,000 people in this Discord now. It's grown quite a lot. So that's my trades. This is some, what if I tell friends and family I've invested to crypto, what I tell them, what I've actually invested into crypto, which is very true. Jamie, you made me a millionaire, which is beautiful. Thank you, Mike. I'm glad that you're a millionaire. Congratulations. Thank you for making these awesome videos for us. God bless. You're welcome, Showen. It's crazy when you watch the video late and the market has done exactly what you said. It's technical analysis, Ashley, and everyone can learn this. Magicraft NFT Genesis collection will be revealed tomorrow on the 3rd of June. The public mint is still open, so you go to magicraft.io and you can mint the NFTs, and they're hidden, so you won't know what character you will get until the reveal on the 3rd of June. And one of the NFTs is holding a Tesla inside it, which is awesome, a Tesla car. Hello, buddy. Always thumbs up your videos. You are the guru and GOAT, greatest of all time. Joe in Monaco, thank you, Leonard. You're the man. Love the crypto course. Thank you all for your amazing wishes. We're also hiring people for the voiceover team for Spanish, Japanese, Chinese, Korean, Thailand. You can sign up jamescryptoguru.com and work for the team. There's over 100 of us, which is beautiful. Thank you all for watching. Over on Binance, also I have around, in this account, we had a pullback as well, slightly, $378,623 in here. I've got 136,000 BUSD, 124,000 USDT, so around $300,000. I've got 2 Bitcoin in here, $59,000 of Bitcoin, which pulled back quite a bit today. So that's that 10% drop on about 100,000, so $10,000 drop. BNB, I bought more. I've got 56,000 BNB in here, dollars worth, around 189, and I've got more buy orders for BNB. The buy order at 290, now is sitting at $300. I want to stack BNB because every time Bitcoin rebounds a little bit, BNB rebounds a lot. And then you can make huge profits just buying the extreme pin down on BNB and then having that wick back up. Thank you all for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. I'll show you around the French islands. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.